advanced civilization that possessed technology far beyond what was previously believed possible. Others have proposed that the object might be of extraterrestrial origin, perhaps a component from an alien spacecraft that crashed on Earth millions of years ago. However, skeptics argue that the COSO artifact is more likely a modern object that somehow became embedded in the geode through natural processes or human intervention. They point to the lack of corroborating evidence and the fact that no similar objects have been found in the area. Number 6. Spaceballs. In 2022, a remarkable discovery was made in the remote jungles of Papua New Guinea that has the potential to rewrite our understanding of the universe. The spaceballs, a collection of small spherical rocks found scattered across the dense rainforest, have been determined to be of extraterrestrial origin, composed of elements not found naturally on Earth. These enigmatic spheres range in size from a mere 0.4 inches to a more substantial 2 inches in diameter. Upon analysis, researchers were astonished to find that the spaceballs contained a unique combination of metals and minerals, including rare earth elements and isotopes that are not typically found in terrestrial rocks. Further investigation revealed that the spaceballs were likely formed in the vacuum of space, possibly due to a catastrophic celestial event such as a supernova, or the collision of two neutron stars. The extreme conditions necessary for their formation have led some scientists to speculate that they may have originated from a distant galaxy or even another universe entirely. The discovery of the spaceballs has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, as it provides tangible evidence of the existence of materials from beyond our solar system. Some researchers have even suggested that the spheres could contain traces of extraterrestrial life, although no definitive proof has yet been found. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick: alien artifacts on Earth. The disturbing truth unearthed by scientists. Could evidence of extraterrestrial contact be hidden in art from our ancient past? A perplexing piece of artwork, recently unearthed in Mesopotamia and dating back approximately 5,000 years, has ignited a firestorm of debate. The cryptic imagery seems to defy explanation, with some researchers claiming it depicts otherworldly creatures soaring through the skies above towering structures, while others believe it represents a long-lost cultural practice or technology. Could this artifact be a glimpse into a forgotten era of human-alien interaction? Or is it merely a product of the rich imagination of our ancestors? Let us know in the comments. Number 5. Bet's Mystery Sphere. In 1974, a mysterious metal sphere was discovered by the Betts family on their property in Fort George Island, Florida, following a brush fire. The Betts sphere, as it came to be known, exhibited a range of inexplicable properties that have baffled scientists and fueled speculation about its extraterrestrial origins. Measuring approximately 8 inches in diameter and weighing about 22 pounds, the Betts sphere was composed of a high-grade stainless steel alloy with a remarkable ability to withstand extreme temperatures. The sphere's surface was adorned with a series of intricate, perfectly concentric circles, each about 0.1 inches wide, that seemed to have been etched by an unknown process. The most astonishing aspect of the Betts sphere, however, was its apparent ability to move and navigate on its own. The Betts family reported that the sphere would roll on its own accord, sometimes even changing direction or navigating around obstacles in its path. The sphere was also said to emit a faint humming sound and vibrate when touched. News of the Betts sphere's strange properties quickly spread, attracting the attention of scientists, military officials, and curious onlookers from around the world. Despite extensive testing and analysis, however, no one was able to determine the sphere's origin or purpose. Some researchers have suggested that the Betts sphere could be a form of extraterrestrial technology, perhaps a probe or a communication device sent to Earth by an advanced alien civilization. Others have proposed that the sphere may be a remnant of a lost human civilization, one that possessed knowledge and capabilities far beyond what we currently understand. Number 4. The Wedge of Ayud. In 1974, a peculiar discovery was made in the town of Ayud, Romania, that has since puzzled archaeologists and ancient astronaut theorists alike. The Wedge of Ayud, a mysterious aluminum object, was found buried 33 feet underground, alongside two mastodon bones. The perplexing combination of the object's apparent age and its composition has led to speculation about its potential extraterrestrial origin. The Wedge of Ayud measures approximately 8 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 3 inches in thickness, with a weight of around 5 pounds. Upon analysis, researchers were surprised to find that the object was composed of 89% aluminum, a metal that was not widely used until the 19th century. The presence of the mastodon bones alongside the wedge further compounded the mystery, as these ancient creatures are believed to have gone extinct around 11,000 years ago. The apparent disparity between the age of the bones and the relatively modern composition of the wedge has led some researchers to suggest that the object may have been left behind by an advanced civilization, possibly of extraterrestrial origin. Some ancient astronaut theorists have proposed that the Wedge of Ayud could be a component of an alien spacecraft that crashed on Earth in the distant past. They argue that the object's unique shape and composition suggest that it may have served a specific purpose, perhaps as part of a propulsion system or a navigational device. Number 3. Space archaeology and artifact SETI. In the quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe, scientists and astronomers are increasingly turning their attention to the search for signs of alien technology. This emerging field, known as space archaeology and artifact SETI, search for extraterrestrial intelligence, seeks to identify and study the remnants of advanced civilizations that may have once thrived beyond our solar system. One of the most intriguing and perplexing discoveries in this field is the WOW signal, a powerful radio transmission detected by the Big Ear radio telescope in 1977. The signal, which lasted for 72 seconds, was so strong and narrowly focused that it immediately captured the attention of astronomers worldwide. The WOW signal, named after the word wow, scribbled by astronomer Jerry R. Amon on the computer printout of the signal, exhibited characteristics that set it apart from any known natural phenomena. The transmission was centered at a frequency of 1420 megahertz, which is significant because it is the frequency at which hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, emits radiation. Despite numerous attempts to locate the source of the WOW signal, astronomers have been unable to detect it again. This has led to speculation that the signal may have been a one-time event, perhaps a brief burst of energy from an advanced alien civilization attempting to communicate with other intelligent life in the universe. Number 2. Alien artifacts in Mexico. In 1999, a controversial discovery in the remote town of Ojuelos de Jalisco, Mexico, sent shockwaves through the archaeological community. Dr. Pablo Enrique Garcia Sanchez, a relatively unknown archaeologist, claimed to have unearthed a series of artifacts that depicted UFOs, aliens, and humans in spacesuits. The artifacts, which included clay figurines, stone carvings, and enigmatic metallic objects, were said to date back thousands of years, predating any known civilization in the region. Dr. Garcia Sanchez and his team, who called themselves Naui Oyen, allegedly cataloged over 400 items found scattered throughout the area. One of the most striking pieces in the collection was a helmet-shaped object that bore an uncanny resemblance to a stereotypical alien head. Other artifacts featured intricate carvings of spacecraft, celestial bodies, and humanoid figures clad in what appeared to be advanced technological suits. However, the discovery was met with skepticism from the scientific community. Critics argued that the artifacts were likely modern fakes, created to capitalize on the growing interest in UFOs and extraterrestrial life. They pointed to the lack of verifiable information about Dr. Garcia Sanchez and his team, and the absence of any peer-reviewed publications or independent confirmation of the findings. Number 1. Guatemala Stone Head. Deep in the lush jungles of Guatemala, a colossal stone head was discovered in the 1930s that has since puzzled archaeologists and ancient astronaut theorists alike. Standing at an impressive 10 feet tall and weighing over 30,000 pounds, the Guatemala stone head bears a striking resemblance to the famous Easter Island Moai statues. However, unlike the Moai, this enigmatic sculpture predates the Mayan and Aztec civilizations by thousands of years. The most intriguing aspect of the Guatemala stone head is its distinctly non-Mayan features. With its elongated cranium, prominent brow ridge, and angular facial structure, the statue bears little resemblance to the artistic styles of the ancient Mesoamerican cultures that once inhabited the region. This has led some researchers to speculate that the head may have been created by an entirely different civilization, perhaps one of extraterrestrial origin. According to ancient astronaut theorists, the Guatemala stone head could be evidence of an advanced alien race that visited Earth in the distant past. They argue that the statue's unique features and the fact that it predates known Mayan and Aztec civilizations suggest that it may have been created by a highly intelligent species with access to advanced technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.